What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Drive application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, right? So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and open up any browser you may have. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome here, and you want to make sure that you log into your Gmail, right? And once you do, you want to simply go ahead and click on the Google apps here, and you want to click on Google Drive, which is the Drive icon here, right? Now once you're inside the Drive, guys, you will notice that within the search address bar here, you will have the icon here that shows you two things: install Google Drive and also the option to bookmark. So it's typically found within the address bar here that you can type in your website address. So once you click on this install Google Drive here, you will have the option to install Google Drive. So if I click install, you realize that it is installed right away on my computer here. So this is the application here, guys, and the Google Drive application is now installed. And if you want to pin that, you can just simply right click on it, pin to taskbar here, and it will pin here. So if you go ahead and you click on the Windows icon here and you simple type Drive, you realize that you have the Google Drive application here as well, and you can easily open it. You can pin it as well to start. That means that when you click on the start option, you will have it under your pinned applications here, as you can see, right? And that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and install Google Drive application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, right? So you can see that I close it and I close my browser as well, and I have the icon here on my desktop, and I also have it here on my taskbar, so I can open it real quick. And there you have it. My Google Drive application is installed and working fine. So to uninstall the application, guys, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on the three dots here and in the application, and you will see the uninstall Google Drive here. You can click on this to uninstall Google Drive, or you can also do it from your add and remove program. So what I'm going to go ahead and simply uninstall it from here, as I don't need it. Click remove, and that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.